Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki, also known as Reminisce Naturals, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I basically care for my hair after a protective style with breakage. This is basically my new wash routine because I have horrible breakage and I accidentally cut my hair when I was taking my hair down. Where is it? Yeah, but this is my prone to breakage hair wash day. Basically, I need to really start taking real good care of my hair because my hair is prone to breakage terribly, and I really want to retain my length because it ain't going nowhere. It's really not, and I really need to get back on my Ayurveda game. So we're going to jump into the video. We're just going to start off with a pre-poo, which is going to be my aloe vera gel. After I took my protective style out, I didn't even wash my hair. I just wore my hair in a bun for like a week or so. So we're going to be pre-pooing. If you guys are wondering how I made my aloe vera gel, I will link that up in the cards right above. And I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looked while I was taking it out. That's how my whole head was braided, basically in box braid, so she could crochet the hair into it. Okay, so I'm going to be providing a few tips that may or may not help. I'm going to be following this regimen, but I would start by trying to wash your hair like 1 to 2 times in a month, especially like in the fall/winter days, so your hair won't be as dry and you won't have to manipulate your hair that much. The next 2 tips I have is to deep condition weekly or twice a week, and also use herbal remedies or Ayurvedic herbs when you can. They're essential in hair care and they're a lifesaver, and they'll give you that strength that you need to repair that breakage. Currently, I am still using my herbal tea, and I will link that up in the descriptions above as well. And I also incorporate rice water in it as well when I remember to, or rice milk. And I take MSM when I remember to. Now, I know I need to be consistent to see results, but at the same time, it's me we're talking about. I struggle with consistency, but take that at your own discretion and yeah, read up on it. Following that, know when your hair needs moisture and know when your hair needs protein. You really need to get to know your hair and learn it. And then you need to hydrate and then moisturize your hair, and then seal in that moisture and hydration that you installed in your hair. And get your hands out your head. Don't manipulate your hair too much. Stop playing in it too much. That could cause breakage and friction that we do not want. Another thing to avoid is manipulating your hair when it's not enough slip from a conditioner or a moisturizer, not just water. Believe it or not, your hair is just as fragile with just water as it is when it's dry. So I would say manipulate your hair once a week. Keep it in that style. Maybe refresh it here and there, but I wouldn't manipulate it too much. Moving on forward, I think with all of my conditioners, I'm going to add some type of herb in there. Yeah, I'm going to start trying to incorporate and get back on my Ayurvedic journey. Moving on to styling, I honestly don't know what I want to do with my hair. Do I want to style it, stretch it out? I think I'm going to stretch my hair out, you guys. I'm going to hydrate my hair real quick. As a leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go back to an OB but a goodie, which is the Curls Unleashed Shea Butter and Mango Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner for kinky and curly hair. This is a bomb conditioner. And my child is about to come bust open the door in about 5 seconds. There we go. Hi. The next tip is to try to wear your hair in a stretched state so you could avoid as many knots as you can as you would have your hair in a curly state. Go in with my hair butter that I just made for the first time, just to seal the moisture in from the leave-in conditioner. The next thing to do is what I'm working on myself, is to eat healthy, because everything on the outside of your body grows from within. So it starts from within. So eat healthy, or try to. Got this tip from the Green Beauty channel. I will link her channel in the description box. If you're high porosity, incorporate acidic rinses. I didn't do too much research on that just yet myself, but I'm gonna look it up and stuff. Okay, you guys, I never filled the ending to the video, so here it is. I ended up keeping my hair in those big 4 twists for like 2 days because I didn't know what I wanted to do with my hair, and I just kept it moisturized with my either or, one of my creams. Well, this is more like an emulsified butter, but it's a cream, but I was intending it for it to be butter, but it is what it is. It's like 4 days later maybe, and I just do my hair in a style because it's almost wash days coming up, and yeah, so it's gonna be like this for a minute until then. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for coming to my channel, watching this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and comment down below some breakage tips that I didn't mention in this video down below. And I will see y'all in the next one.